Lily Bear, is your eye open? Are you sleeping with your eye open? Hmm? Are you sawing logs? Yeah. Yeah, you're like a lumberjack. You're like a lumberjack. The little chum. The little chum. You know.